It's time to learn from nature. It's time to learn from nature. It's time to learn from nature about our God. We thank you for creation. We thank you for creation. We thank you for creation. We thank you, O God. We thank you, O God. Today we're going to talk about an animal, not a plant, an animal. This animal has 2 feet, it has feathers, it has wings, and it has a little beak. Sometimes it's got a big bill. What is this animal? Yep, we're going to talk about birds. We are going to talk about the bird. God made different kinds of birds. We're not going to talk about one kind of bird. We're just going to talk about birds. We have big birds, like this ostrich. We have tiny little birds. In our garden, in the summer, we have a beautiful small hummingbird. And our hummingbird is yellow. Oh, it's beautiful. It makes us feel happy. God gave us so many beautiful birds, different color birds. They fly around. Some birds can't fly. They have different colors, just like us. Aren't people also different? God made a beautiful world with different birds. Some birds, they will say, hey, no, stay away. This is my nest. I'm building my nest for me. Don't come close. But they don't say it like we say it. They make bird sounds. Or sometimes the bird will say, uh-oh, watch out. There's danger. There's danger, birds. Let's be careful. You know, there are big birds, birds of prey. They sometimes eat the small birds. Sometimes those big birds eat the small birds. So they have to be careful and warn each other. The big bird is coming. Sometimes one bird will say, hey, where are you? And the other bird will say, I'm over here. We don't understand birds, but we can hear them. Listen to these sounds. Listen to the birds I heard this morning. I don't know about you. Do singing birds make you feel happy? I hope they make you feel happy. They make me happy. I love hearing happy birds. They make me feel happy too. Listening to happy bird songs makes me feel happy. I want you to think about that. When you want to complain, I don't want this. When you don't want to sit down and eat your food, Nene, because you want to read your book, don't be angry, be happy. Maybe next time you should sing a happy song instead of saying no. Try and sing a happy song. Maybe then you will feel happy, and I know you will help other people to also feel happy. When you sing happy songs, you help other people to feel happy. Just like when we hear happy birds, we also feel happy.
Thank you, Mimi. I sing it.
You were singing it. What did you sing?
Happy birthday.
Oh, wonderful. Wanna sing it again?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
happy.
Does God want us to feel sad or angry? He wants us to be happy. When you hear a bird next time, please don't forget to say, "Thank you, Jesus. You want us to be happy."